Tinker Lab at home. Let's build the bird in a cage and a thermotrop. From the base kit, let's take the multi-pop, and from the electronic bits, let's take the rocker switch, holder bit and the motor bit. And from the envelope pouch, let us take the bird in a cage card, and from the top up, let's take the straw, a lollipop straw, a double-sided tape, stand bits. So let's get started doing bird in a cage. So take 2 pieces of double-sided tape, pop them out from the tray. Now peel off the paper from the tape one side and take the bird in a cage card and place it in the center. Mark the center point of the card and place the double-sided tape. Now peel off the other side and place the straw. See that the small straw piece comes upside, and place the straw and press. Now take the other double-sided tape and peel off a side and keep on top of the straw and peel off the other side. Now make sure you bend at the creasing and close the card such that bird comes on a side and cage comes on the other side. To make a stand, refer the basic steps using the multi-pop, and now take the motor bit and fix it to the multi-pop stand, and take the holder with the batteries. Ensure that the batteries are loaded, and now connect it to the rocker switch. Make sure that the connections are intact. Now insert the straw. So switch on the rocker switch and observe the bird in a cage.